If you want to take a screenshot on iPhone 16e, what you need to do is simply press the volume up button and the side button at the same time. So if you press these two buttons together, you will capture a screenshot like this. You can tap on the preview at the bottom left corner in order to start editing as well. Over here we can swipe to see all those screenshots that we just made. You can remove unwanted screenshots by tapping on this trash icon in the top right corner, then choose delete screenshot. We also have some editing tools over here, so you can use them. You can crop the screenshot as well if you want to take a partial screenshot. And once you are done, simply press done in the top left corner, and then you can, for example, save to photos. In case that combination of two buttons doesn't work for you, for example, if it triggers emergency calls, then in that case you can go to settings. Then over here we're going to choose emergency SOS, and this might be due to this option being enabled, but in my case it didn't actually cause any issues. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.